people, it's just Mabes here, and today we're gonna do this video. I am so happy right now. Do you guys see a difference? Like, I'm so, like, okay, so let me explain. So, I haven't uploaded a video in super long, and I have no makeup on my face, and I realized that, but we're gonna get into that later. But I just want to talk to you guys real quick about, like, why there wasn't a video. What day is it even? I don't even know, like, how many days have I not uploaded a video? This video is probably going to go up on a Friday. There hasn't been a video for 2 days. So, I had this camera, not what I'm recording on, something else. I don't know where it is. I think it's in the living room, but I'm not going to go get it. It's like a Samsung HD camera, and it's like has Wi-Fi in it, and it's just an old camera, let's just say that. And I'm sorry that you guys can see my bralette. I'm going to try to keep it covered. This is totally the wrong bralette that I should have went for. I should have went for something else. But anyway, yeah, so I had like this old camera. Me and my sister got it for Christmas like so long ago. And yeah, so when I started YouTube, I had a computer, and I used that for like maybe a couple of videos, and then I found that camera. Well, somebody found that camera, and I started using that camera. And you guys could look on the past videos of what it looked like, and it just looked like very gloomy, and you couldn't really see like my face or anything. Yeah, so it was just really bad quality. I mean, I had to put a video up because videos up because I wanted to, and I love YouTube, and I love the community, and I love just doing beauty on YouTube, and I was just so inspired by all the beauty influencers on YouTube, and I just wanted to do what they did because I was just so inspired. Yeah, so I had to get videos up, and I did that for like 2 years or something. Yeah, 2 years. And then on my 15th birthday, I wanted a camera. Well, actually, I was going to go to Busch Gardens with my friends for my birthday, but then my mom was like, okay, let's not spend that much money on that, and let's just get a camera for you. Like, let's just go to dinner and get a camera for you. So I was like, okay, whatever. I want a new camera. I want to get my quality up for my YouTube channel. So I did not get a camera when I turned 15. I recently got a camera in this month, and it was the Sony Handycam. I don't know which like camera it was. I don't remember, but it was a Handycam. It was a cam recorder, and it just wasn't bright enough for the videos that I wanted to do, and it wasn't like, I just didn't like. I liked the camera. It was very easy to do. The pictures were great and everything, but it just wasn't really good for recording and stuff like that. Me and my mom were figuring something out, and we were just trying to figure out like what camera I should get next and how to connect it to like a computer, like as a monitor, to my future camera, not the Sony one, but the next one I get, and we'll figure it out or whatever. I was like, wait, like, how about I just use your camera? My mom has a camera. She used to take pictures for, like, I mean, she still does, I would say, but she doesn't do it, I feel like, as much as she used to. She does cakes more than pictures. She's like, okay, good idea. I'm just going to have to figure out how to connect the camera to, like, a computer. And so we tried and tried and tried. Nothing worked. So she got this HDMI cord at Best Buy. She got this, and she connected it to the computer and stuff, and it didn't work. But then she connected it to the kitchen TV. That's why I keep looking over here, because the TV is right here, and I just look so good, and it's so focused in my background. Oh my god, I'm just obsessed with this right now, and I just am so happy. And I finally have my quality like up and like running, and it took 2 years. Just know that it's not going to be like that when you start YouTube, like big quality, you're going to have 1 million subscribers and stuff. It's going to take time. It took me 2 years, so, I mean, I'm just like excited. I look really good over here. I'm hoping I look good, real good on YouTube and stuff, and I'm going to try to stop looking over here, but I just can't stop because I'm like, you look good right here. While this is happening, your background looks good. It kind of looks blurry on the monitor. I don't even know if it's blurry in like IRL, like on the camera, but it looks blurry on the monitor, and hopefully it is, because I really like how this looks. I mean, it's a little bit rough over here. Like it's a little, it's not like tight and like, but oh my god, my arm fat. But I kind of like that look, like it's kind of just like thrown on there. I will be getting more backgrounds soon, but I want to do some kind of look inspired by this. This is like a peachy, I think peachy kind of color, but I don't want to mess with glitter. I just want to mess with like the peachy colors. So that's what we're going to be doing today. I just made that up in my head. I was going to do a reaction, not a reaction, but a video to like following a Jaclyn Hill, following like Raw Beauty Christie or some kind of YouTuber. I will be doing that kind of videos very, very soon. So watch out with that. I just kind of am not in the mood of doing all that editing right now. So the first thing that we're gonna go in with is I think we should go in with the Too Faced Sweet Peach palette just because it's peachiness. But I'm gonna go in with Canned Peach in this palette. Can you see that sparkle? That's what I'm scared of. Oh, I can't see. Okay, right here. That's what I'm scared of, but I'm gonna go in with it anyway. And this brush, by the way, is so good. It's from a cake brand. It's for cakes. But this is a Wilton brush, and it just comes at like a tip. Now I'm probably gonna be messing with the settings a little bit more to make just adjusting the settings. So next video probably will look a little bit different than this video. This is just like a test run and stuff like that. I think I am going to keep using this camera because on the monitor right now it's looking really cute and really good. I'm just probably going to be messing with the settings, so you're going to see a little bit difference maybe on the next video. But yeah, so just to let you guys know. Okay, so the sparkles is not really showing on the eyes, which I'm pretty happy. You could kind of see a little bit, but it's not really a horrible thing. So I'm just going to go in with this color right here. It's called Just Peachy. It's in the same palette. Oh, where? Right here. Right here, and it's just like a pretty, pretty, pretty shade. I'm also going to grab Luscious as well on the same brush and everything, and just put it all over the lid. And then I'm going to take this Smokes and Mirror liner, Smoke and Mirrors, not Smokes and Mirror. And it's just like a black pencil liner, and I'm going to go near my, not my waterline, but my lash line a little bit back here, just to give it a little bit of definition, just a little bit. And I'm going to blend it out with, we're going to blend it out a little bit with Talk Derpy to Me in the palette, and Tempting, which Talk Derpy to Me is a purple with like a, I think it's a black with a purple sparkle, and then Tempting is just like a black with a little bit of sparkle. But yeah, so we're gonna go in with those two colors and go in with this, and yeah, so let's do that. Okay, hunty. Alright guys, so what I did is okay, so when you kind of smoke things out back here, it kind of like makes a little wing. Like, I don't know if you guys could see it, but it made a little wing, which that's totally fine. I mean, I don't care. I didn't really mean to do that, but it just happened. And I also put on mascara, which that is the Wet n Wild Mega Wear Mascara. This mascara is in I was going to say jet black, but this is very black. I got mixed up with the Ulta mascara, volume mascara, but this is very black, and it's just really good. I really like it more on the bottom. You could see, like, yeah, that's for my brushes, by the way. My body is my little wet wipe to clean my brushes, by the way. I do need to, like really wash them, though, but anyway, this mascara is really good for the bottom lashes. I feel like it really spreads them out, and it just really makes them black and really makes them stand out, and I really like it, and it's really good. I use it obviously on my top lashes, and it looks Gucci. But I am going to put on, I don't even know what kind of lashes I want to wear, to be honest. Let me see. I think these are pretty with this look. These are the Ardell Faux Mink Lashes in 811. My full face off camera real quick, and I'll be back with you guys with like my lower lash line and everything. But I'm gonna go basically in with the same color and just put that in well, down here, and that's the color called Canned Peach in the palette right here. And I'm going to take that on this IBI Beauty crease brush right here. And I'm just going to blend that down there. Wait, I don't think okay, this color right here. I think I pointed to this one. This color right here, Canned Peached. And I'm just going to put that down here. And then I'm going to put some powder under the eyes and put some mascara down there, you know. Alright guys, so I think the camera's a little bit down or something. Hold up. I'm trying to fix this here. I feel like the camera's like facing down or something. I did like stop recording because the last time you guys saw me, the last clip, I didn't have a lippy on. I didn't really have my lower lash line done. And I didn't have my inner corner highlight on either. But I'm going to tell you guys what I used. Don't worry. My camera just died. I just needed to hurry up and charge it. But I took the camera off the thing, like the tripod, and I feel like the camera's like kind of facing down at me. But it's okay. I kind of ate, and this lippy does not stay on long for like nothing. But the first lippy that I put on is the NYX Lingerie lipstick in Push Up. Then I put a little bit of this on. This is the NYX Professional Makeup Soft Matte Lip Cream in London. And yeah, it just is kind of rubbed off. The mascara that I use down here is this mascara, which I use on the top lashes. The inner corner highlight, that I used this Wet n Wild little highlighter, and it is in Blossom Glow. And I used this Pixie by Petra Beauty Blush Duo and Peach Honey. I used the highlighter shade on this. And yeah, so I don't think there's anything else to say, guys, but I love you guys, and I'll see you guys next video. Bye! Hey, Baby here, and today we are going to be doing, oh yeah, I already did the intro. Why am I doing that? Oh, girl, we already did the intro, I think. Did I do the intro? I have no idea. I'm going to keep my setup up just in case I haven't done it, because I think I did. I could be totally wrong. I think I did. I had like a bare face. I don't know. I'm talking quick and everything. I just need to put this setup away. But girl, this background is just so good. It looks so Gucci. Can we just focus on this? Even though it's not focusing, I don't think, but like it still looks good. I mean, that's the look that I wanted for it not to focus. But anyway, yeah, whatever. Whoa, okay, we're done recording. Girl, I'm so happy with this video. And there's like stains on the shirt. I don't even know what it is. Like, what? This side, not the other side. I don't even know what this is. What is that? I didn't even eat in the shirt. Like, I'm so confused, but I'm just gonna leave it. It's not in the frame anyway, because I do this all the time, but I try to do this, but yeah. I'm trying to sit up straight all the time, but then when you see me sit up straight, that's only on YouTube. So whatever you see is not real. Like, literally, I just do this in real life. When I'm blending, I do this when I'm not on camera, but when I'm on camera, I'm like